Now we will discuss uses of some common metals. First we'll discuss uses of copper. Copper is a reddish metal which is extremely ductile and malleable. It is a very good conductor of heat and electricity. Due to its properties, the major portion of copper produced in the world is used by electrical industries for making electric transmitting wires. It is also used for making coils of electric motors, generators, etc. Copper is also used for making utensils, coins, and ornaments. Copper is also used as an electroplating metal. Copper is also used for making pipes for plumbing. I'll come to another important metal, iron. Iron is the most widely used, cheapest metal. Its different varieties are due to different amount of carbon content present in it. The best variety of iron is the wrought iron. Wrought iron is an iron which contains less than 0.1% of carbon in it. It is soft, malleable and ductile. Due to its properties, it is used for making tin roofing, railing, grills, electromagnets, nails, bolts, furniture and gates. The second type of iron is the pig iron. Pig iron is also called as cast iron and it contains 2 to 4% carbon in it. Pig iron is used for making drain pipes, lid of manholes and immovable machinery parts. Now we'll come to third type of iron, which is steel. Steel contains about 2% of carbon in it. It is used for making rail, bridges, buildings, ship machinery parts, automobiles, utensils, etc. Now we'll come to third important metal, aluminium. Aluminium is a silvery white metal. It is malleable and ductile. It is light in weight, strong. It is good conductor of heat and electricity and it is resistant to corrosion. Due to its properties, aluminium is used in making cooking utensils, food wrapping foils, furniture, doors, windows, etc. Alloys of aluminium like duralumin is used for making parts of aircrafts, automobiles and machinery. I'll come to another important metal, zinc. Zinc is a bluish white metal which is brittle in nature. It is used for galvanizing the iron sheets and preventing them from getting corroded. This is done in shipbuilding for preventing ships from getting corroded by the seawater. Zinc is also used in making alloys like brass, German silver, etc. Zinc is also used in making negative terminals of the dry cells. Zinc is used in die casting in automobile industries. Powder zinc is also used for the extraction of gold and silver from their salts. I'll come to another important metal, lead. Lead is soft, silvery white or grayish metal. It is poor conductor of electricity. It is malleable and ductile. It is highly toxic metal and has ability to absorb radiation. Due to its properties, lead is used in making linings of sink pipes. It is used in making car batteries. It is used in covering underground electric cables. It is used for making alloys like solder and type metal. It is also used as a shield from X-rays and other radiations. Now come to another metal, magnesium. Magnesium is a silvery white metal. It burns in air with a dazzling white light. Due to this property of magnesium, magnesium is used in making fireworks or firecrackers which are used in Diwali. Then alloy of magnesium is used in making parts of aircrafts, machinery, etc. Magnesium is also used in the extraction of uranium and titanium. We'll come to another important metal, calcium. Calcium is a silvery white metal. It is the most abundant metal found in human body. Calcium carbonate, a compound of calcium, is used in the manufacture of glass, cement, washing soda, etc. Calcium chloride, another compound of calcium, is used as a drying agent. Marble, which is a compound of calcium, is used in making buildings and statues. Chalk, which is also a calcium compound, is used as pigment in paints and for making Portland cement. Then we'll come to another metal, gold and silver. Now gold and silver are precious metals. They are highly malleable and ductile. They are used for making jewelry and coins. They are also used for making artificial teeth and for filling teeth cavities. Gold film is also used on satellites to maintain the temperature. Silver is used for making electrodes.